What's going on YouTube? It's Mr. Johnny Blaze here. Just wanted to do an EDC video here and a video response to Bperk80's 1000 subscriber giveaway contest. Basically he wants to see your summer EDC video. I'm in Arizona, so it's a little hot, so I'm usually going to be wearing shorts. So I basically pulled off the cargos that I'm wearing here and all the stuff's already on it. Start off with the paracord bracelet there. It's the one that I'm wearing today. And we will go to next, we'll go to my side carry. Got the Glock G19 there. It's a nice compact gun, and I'm not even going to go through the safety check. I know there's one in the chamber. I'm just going to be safe about it. And got the custom kydex holster there that I made. It's nice and slim, keeps it close to the body. And go to my secondary carry there. Got the Ruger LCP riding in the desantis Nemesis holster. And there's one in the chamber as well in that one. And nothing else in the front pocket. In the rear pocket I got a FourSevens Cork 123 Mini, or Cork Mini 123. It's not gonna focus there. And got the lanyard on it. Usually have it in my back pocket, or I'll wear it around the neck and throw it in under the shirt or whatever. And nothing else in that back pocket. In this back pocket I have my wallet. There's my lady and the baby, and just got the cards and all the stuff that I need there. Riding in this slim little, I just took the picture pocket out from like a 3-fold wallet, or a tri-fold wallet. And in the front pocket here, for my EDC blade, I have the Kershaw leek. Thing gets some pretty good use there. It's a nice slim EDC blade. It's very light. It's quick to open. It's got the assisted opening. It's got a very good clip. And next we got another flashlight here at the FourSevens Peron 2. It's a very good EDC light. The only thing is with the tail cap here, it tends to pop on and off in your pocket a lot. I'll usually just unscrew it a little bit so it doesn't go on in my pocket. And going in the pocket here, I've got some chapstick with some Gorilla Tape wrapped around it. And for my multi-tool, I have a Leatherman squirt here. Got a little piece of lanyard there, or lanyard, not lanyard, paracord there. And nothing else in that pocket. And in this pocket I just got an extra mag for the LCP with some critical defense rounds from Hardening. And that's about it. Oh, and I have the Glock riding on a wilderness belt there. Alright, there you guys go. That's my summer EDC. Let me know what you guys think, and wish me luck.